So we're doing pulleys. The big thing to remember with pulleys is that the number of supporting strands you have is equal to the IMA of a pulley system. Okay, and they have to be supporting strands. They have to be helping to lift up the object so that you split up the forces. So here we go. First one, question 14. We are given 560 pounds of material. We have to lift, and we can lift with 50 pounds of effort. Okay, so that is our given resistance force and our effort force. The 32 feet rooftop might not be used. It could be used if we need to figure out how many feet of rope we need to pull, but we're not going to be asked that. So first up, AMA, that's ugly. AMA is equal to FR over FE. So we are going to have our resistance force of 560 divided by our effort force of 50. So 56 divided by 5 basically, or 560 divided by 50, and we get an answer of about 11.2 is going to be the number of, or that's going to be your AMA. Okay, now it goes to how many supporting strands would that be? Well, you cannot have a decimal or a fraction of a strand. They have to be whole numbers. So really all you're going to do is this. Again, the strands are equal to the IMA in a pulley system. So we can't have 11.2 and we can't have less than 11 or we would not be able to lift it up. So we're just going to round up or bump up to the next whole number. So that means you have 12 strands that you will need in that block and tackle system. Okay, moving on to the next question. Now we have another object. We can provide 100 pounds of force. Now it does say motor, but the motor is still going to be doing the effort for us. Okay, so we are also given 9 strands. And again, I already said it over here. All right, so you'd write it down there. Again, strands equal IMA. So right away, your IMA is going to be equal to the number of strands, which is 9. Okay. Then we move on to maximum weight that we can lift. So now we're going to do that again. We are assuming 0% or 0 friction loss. So IMA is equal to the AMA. Okay. The IMA is not we're not going to have the fraction. We just have the number. So, but the AMA is going to be the DE over DR. So we have the IMA is equal to the DE over DR. So we're going to say, substitute in IMA is 9. The effort distance is going to be, oh, and I put the wrong numbers in. I'm a dummy. Sorry. AMA, FR over FE. It's a good thing when you watch a video on solutions and have your teacher do it and then he screws up. Sorry. Okay, so now let's do that again. So now our resistance force is what we're looking for. Our effort force is going to be 100. So now we can just multiply that out. And our resistance force is going to be 9 times 100 or 900 pounds of force. There you go.